Today I will show you how to get started with Golang. If this is the first time we meet, my name is Felix and welcome to my channel, Felix the Dev. I'm a software developer, computer programming teacher, and coach. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, and my passion is to help people like you learn how to code and computer science students complete their degrees. So if you would like videos like this one to help you in your journey as a computer science student or someone learning how to code, then click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload. So today I'm going to show you how to get started with the Golang or the Go programming language. And the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead to golang.org and you're going to download the version that's going to be specifically to your operating system. So you just click on here, download Go, and you will see the different versions that you can download. So you have for Mac, for Linux, for Microsoft Windows, and all the versions that you can download. So just choose one. I'm working on a Mac, so I downloaded and installed already the Apple Mac OS version. So that's why I have already installed it. And if you want to follow along this tutorial, but in the coding sections of this tutorial, you can without even downloading anything to your computer, you can go ahead and use something known as the Go Playground, and you can run code online. So that's a way that you can do it, but I'm going to show you how you can set it up on your machine so you can code on your machine locally. So the first thing is you download that to your machine or to your computer, and now we're going to go and open an IDE or text editor, I should say. And the text editor that I'm going to use is Atom. So we open it right here. And I'm going to have a lot of messages, but don't worry about that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and install some packages that are going to help us code in Go using this text editor. So we're going to click here on top, right here on top where it says packages, and we're going to go to command palette. We're going to go to toggle, and we're going to click and we're going to type in install, and where it says settings view, install packages and themes, we click on that. And the first package that we're going to install is Go Plus. Go Plus. There you go. So it's this one right here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. And close this. Close this. So the name is Go Plus, and we're going to download this package I have already installed, but it's going to help us a lot, and you'll see why. And the second one is going to be Atom Runner. And this is the one that we're going to use to run our code in the Atom text editor. So this one right here, I have already installed as well, so go ahead and download that. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to create our workspace. And for that, so just to give you a little overview, a workspace is a directory hierarchy. The two folders or directories, you should say it, and it contains src, which is source, and bin, and other folders as part of your project. So let's get to that. And for that, we're gonna open a terminal window. So we open our terminal window, and we're going to go ahead and in our home directory, we're going to type Go version, and this is just to check that you installed the version of Go. So you can do this anywhere, but So this means that we have Go installed. And now what we're going to do is start creating our workspace, and we're going to do it by make directory Go. And that's the name of our workspace. Then we're going to change our folder or where we're located, or directory, to Go. Then we're going to create another directory called bin. Then we're going to create another one called src, or source. We're going to change into source. And we're going to create another one called github.com. This one's going to contain all your projects and download it from GitHub. So if you download something from GitHub, it's going to be located on that folder. We're going to change directories into github.com. Then we're going to create another one with your GitHub username. I'm going to use Felix the Dev. And we're going to create another one. Now we're going to change directories to Felix the Dev here. And we're going to create another directory, which is going to be our actual project. We're going to call it Go for Beginners. And inside, we're going to go into Go for Beginners. We're going to change directories. And inside, we're going to create another one called Hello World. We're going to change to that. Perfect. And again, the name of the directory is the one I put Felix the Dev is going to be your GitHub username. So depending on your GitHub username, then it's going to vary. It's going to change. So now the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go to Finder, to our home directory where we have our Go folder structure. We're going to go to src, to GitHub, and we're going to find the folder that says Go for Beginners, and we're going to go to Atom, and we're going to drag it there. So inside Atom, we can go ahead. So inside Atom, we're going to create a new file where it says Hello World, and we're going to create a main.go file. Don't worry about that. Okay, so now, and as you see, we have our Go Plus plugin already that's going to help us out. So the first thing that we're going to type is package main, and this is necessary so we can use so we can run this code, and you'll see why. We're going to import something called FMT, or it's short for format, and FMT is a package that implements a formatted input-output with functions that are similar to printf and scanf that you see and you use in the C programming language. So now the next thing we're going to do is create a function called main. And this function runs automatically. This is like if you already use programming languages like Java that has like a main function, public static void main. So this is like the function that governs the Go code. So that's why we need to write this line right here. And inside there, we're going to do fmt.print hello. And this is going to be a simple hello world. And now we're going to click on Ctrl R, and there you see it right here. There you see it says hello. So when you click Ctrl R, it runs your code and it goes ahead and calls the Atom Runner plugin that we installed. So that's why it was important to install it. And the Go Plus tells us the output of what's going on if it's installing something. So right now it's installing some tools that it detected, so that's why it's very important. It's good to use it in Atom, in my opinion. So there we have it. And another thing that you could do is add comments. And another way is by using multi-line comments, like this. So you know what are you doing in your program and communicating your logic, things like that. So that's how you do comments in Go, and you print hello or hello world. So it's a simple message that is using the FMT package. And if you made it this far on the tutorial, go ahead and drop in the comments Golang, the word Golang, so I know that you made it this far. And the opportunity of the week for this video is going to be the Rebuild Future Scholarship. The price is $1,000. The deadline to apply is September 30th of 2019, this year. And the link is on the description on how to apply and the requirements. This video is not sponsored by the company that holds this scholarship program. It's just an opportunity that came my way, and I want to share with you guys. A lot of college students watch my videos. This may help you out, so that's why I want to share it. So, and if you like this video, click on that like button, that thumbs up button. Also share this video with a friend and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. And also, because I upload videos every week, and click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified when that video is uploaded, so it gets to you, and you can watch it and benefit from the content that I'm going to be uploading to keep helping you guys. So, and if you would like to support the channel, check out the Ko-fi page. I'm going to put on the screen. And thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And if you would like a book to use as a reference to learn Golang, check out the book recommendation section on the videos on the description of this video. And these are, if you're going to find some books that you can use to keep as a reference while learning Golang, you know, that you can access if you want to reference that particular topic. And these are affiliate links that help support the channel at no extra cost to you. And I thank you for the support, guys. I appreciate it. So I will see you on the next video. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Take care.